Dear plus 2 accountancy students, now we shall see the exercise 12 in the accounts from incomplete records. Exercise 12 from the first chapter, accounts from incomplete records. Read the problem. From the following particulars, prepare bills receivable amount and compute the bills received from the debtors. Yes, we have to prepare the bills receivable account and to find out the bills receivable received from the debtors. The BR account, the bills receivable account, is prepared to find out the bills receivable received or drawn. Yes, read the problem. Bills receivable at the beginning of the year. Bills receivable at the end of the year. Cash received for bills receivable. Bills receivable dishonored. Okay. Now let us prepare the bills receivable account. Bills receivable account is prepared to find out the bills receivable received or drawn. Okay, this is bills receivable account. Exercise 12. Debtor, creditor, particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees. Bills receivable account always shows debit balance. So we should write the opening balance in the debit side of the bills receivable account. Bills receivable at the beginning of the year 1,40,000. 1,40,000. So that in the debit side, to balance BD. To balance BD. 1,40,000. The closing balance of the bills receivable should be entered in the credit side. Bills receivable at the end of the year 2 lakhs. So that it will be entered in the credit side. By balance CD. Closing balance. Bills receivable at the end of the year 2 lakhs. Okay. Next transaction, cash received for bills receivable. Cash received for bills receivable. So that the entry is cash account attached to bills receivable. So it is entered in the credit side of the bills receivable account by cash account. Cash account attached to bills receivable account. So that bills receivable account credit side by cash 3,90,000. 3,90,000. Bills receivable dishonored. Bills, suppose the bill is dishonored. Debtors account to be debited. Bills receivable account should be credited. So the entry is sundry debtors account attached to bills receivable. So it should be posted in the credit side of the bills receivable account by sundry debtors. By sundry debtors. 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees. Bills receivable dishonored. Bills receivable dishonored. Okay. Total 0, 0, 0, 0. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 lakhs 20,000 is the total. The same total is entered in the debit side also, 6 lakhs 20,000. So the balancing figure 8 4 12 1 2 2 4 4,80,000. This is bills receivable received from the sundry debtors, so that it is two sundry debtors. Two sundry debtors. Bills receivable received are drawn. This is the answer. By preparing bills receivable account, we can find out the bills receivable received. It is 4,80,000. Okay, thank you students.